YouTube TV is a popular choice for people cutting the cord. But is it worth the cost? It offers huge selection of over 100 channels, including major networks and popular cable channels. A major advantage is its unlimited cloud DVR, letting you record tons of shows and keep them for up to 9 months. The interface is easy to use, and you can search for shows in many ways. You can have up to 6 accounts and stream on 3 devices at once, making it great for families. There are no contracts, so you can cancel anytime. However, it's one of the more expensive options. The 4K content selection is limited, and there can be occasional channel blackouts due to provider issues. It also doesn't include all regional sports networks. Whether YouTube TV is right for you depends on your needs and how much you watch. It is a good option if you want lots of channels, unlimited DVR, and an easy to use interface. But if you're on a budget or need specific channels, other services might be better. Consider your budget, viewing habits, and which channels you need before deciding. Compare YouTube TV to other services to see if it's the best fit for you.